Getting free traffic with ghost pages is powerful, but the real win comes when that traffic turns into sales. And the secret to making that happen is picking profitable keywords. So, what makes a keyword profitable? It's not just about search volume, it's about the intent. Broad terms like fitness tips might bring in traffic, but they rarely convert. Instead, look for buyer intent phrases like best home workout program under 50 bucks or affordable weight loss meal plan. These keywords show someone is ready to buy, not just browse. Another way to spot profitable keywords is by focusing on solutions. Keywords that start with best, review, or how to are gold because they connect directly to people searching for answers and recommendations. When you create ghost pages around these profitable keywords, you're positioning your content in front of people who are already looking to spend money. And by stacking multiple ghost pages across different niches, you multiply your chances of generating consistent sales, all without ads or complicated SEO. So don't just chase traffic. Choose profitable keywords that bring in buyers and let your ghost pages turn that traffic into real income. If you're ready to learn how to find profitable keywords and set up ghost pages that convert, check the link in the description and start today.